In this video, I'm going to share with you my first performance test with the RaceChip GTS installed on the A3. The chip is set to map number 7, which should provide the most gains. It's been on number 7 ever since I installed it, and the engine runs perfectly fine. Now, the test conditions and equipment were very far from ideal, but I think we can still reach a conclusion of some sort. To measure acceleration, I'm using an app on my phone and the built-in GPS. This is one of the least accurate ways of measuring acceleration because of satellite signal latency. Namely, there is a delay in establishing the phone's location, which in turn gives unrealistically long 0 to 60 times. It is raining, so there will be a lot of wheel spin as well. This is my first attempt and the only one that I filmed. As you can see, at around 50 miles an hour, I hit a large puddle and got some massive amounts of wheel spin. The only relevant piece of data recorded was a 0 to 60 time of 4.11 seconds, which seems quite long. But because we have a visual reference in the form of the speedometer, we can calculate the time lag in the GPS signal. So at 30 miles an hour on the speedo, we have an indicated time of 2.6 seconds. The difference to the recorded time of 4.11 is our lag time, an overread of about 1.5 seconds. I managed to record 2 proper 0 to 60 runs on the app, off camera. Same stretch of road, both ways, and the result an eerily consistent 10.02 seconds in both cases. Subtract the latency and we get a realistic 8.5 seconds to 60. More than half a second improvement over the 9.2 stock time. It's worth mentioning that I did get an ungodly amount of wheel spin on those last 2 runs. In optimum conditions, I think times in the low 8s are possible.